What do you want to be in the future?
In future, I want to be a professional and good English teacher and good human being.
That's a wonderful goal, Tafsir. Being a great teacher and a good person means a lot. Question 12. What's your favorite season of the year?
Okay, my favorite season is winter.
Winter is nice, cool and cozy. Question 13. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Especially, I prefer green tea.
Green tea is healthy and tasty. Question 14. Do you like reading books?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, what kind?
yeah, absolutely. I love reading book. I love to read non-fiction book, especially how to be successful, how to be motivated, how to be raised in your life. This kinds of book I love to read.
That's inspiring. Reading books about success and motivation. Question 15. Do you like sports? If yes, which sport do you enjoy?
Yes, I really love sports. My favorite game is football, and uh, I fond of playing cricket.
Nice. Football and cricket are both exciting games. Question 16. Do you have a best friend? Can you tell me about him or her?
Yeah, sure. I have best friend. He's from Bangladesh as well, and he's very innocent. He's very loving and caring, and also very helpful. He's definitely a male person, and he's my classmate as well. So he's my best friend.
Sounds like you have a great friend there. Question 17. What's your favorite place in your city or town?
Uh, my favorite place is Khulna, which is the greatest city in Bangladesh, division actually. And this is my loving city. I love it.
Khulna must be special to you. It's cool that you love your city so much. Question 18. Do you like animals? Do you have a pet?
Yeah, of course, I love it. And I have one white cat that is very loving, and I always care him.
A white cat that laughs? Sounds like a fun and lively pet. Question 19. What's your favorite holiday or festival?
My favorite holiday is Friday, and my favorite festival is Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha, which is the most gracious and most happiest moment for every Muslim person. And this is very nice to celebrate, and this is very pure and holy festival. We love it.
Eid is truly special and full of joy. I can feel how much it means to you. Last question 20. What do you usually do on weekends?
Okay, on weekend I usually passing my time by learning new things. Because always I am preparing myself to become a passionate teacher, a good teacher, and absolute perfect teacher. So that weekend is very important for me. And on the weekend days, I always try to solve my problem that I am facing and I'm confusing. So that is how actually by reading, by writing, by improving my fluency, my knowledge and everything. I spend my weekends. That's all.
That's a fantastic way to spend your weekends, Tafsir. Focused and full of growth. You're really dedicated. Want to keep practicing with some different kinds of questions now?
Okay, thank you so much for asking this simple question, this basic 20 questions, and definitely I think that it will definitely help all of my audience to know that what is the basic questions that we have to know as a beginner English learner.